Hi, so today in this video, we are going to study the first topic of physics, which is scope of physics. Now, in general science, we have two fields, which is biological field and the physical field. When talking about biological fields, we have humans, which are living matters, animals, insects, microorganisms. You can think of anything that is living, like plants as well. And when thinking of physical science, physical science is the behavior and properties of all the non-living matters. For example, you can think of anything like a spaceship which goes to space, which helps to transport humans to space. These all things which are related to non-living matter are related to physical sciences. Now, on the next page, you can see what physics is about. So physics is about matter and energy. Matter is something that occupies the space. It can be anything. It can be this human which you are seeing here. By the way, this is Isaac Newton, Sir Isaac Newton, who discovered gravity. And you can think of matter as something that has some space in our world. Like you can think of books, you can think of your mobile phone, or you can think of a desk or chair, anything that occupies space. That is called matter, and which you can see as well. While on the other hand, you've got energy. Energy is something that you cannot see. You cannot see or figure out that what this thing is. By the way, this thing is actually an empty space, and it is only an empty entity where you can't see anything. Basically, in this empty space, there are lots of energy which are present, which we can deduce by ourselves, but we cannot see it. So it is called energy. While on the other hand, the study of these two things, which is interaction of matter or matter only you can say, and energy, is called physics. So in the end of this chapter, there are several types of physics mentioned. For example, there is particle physics, which is related to some particles of the physics. And in the second chapter, there is nuclear physics, in which we deal about atoms, about electrons and protons. And in this chapter, the same series, there is a third field of physics which is called astrophysics, and we deal about stars and plasma and all that. And in molecular and atomic physics, we talk about matter and all that stuff which is about humans. This is all from the first chapter, and I'll meet you in the chapter in the second video, in which we go through the second chapter, which is about Islam and science. This is all. Thank you.